Have you ever wondered why some people understand everything so fast? They remember everything, solve problems easily, and make quick decisions, while the rest of us just keep thinking. But here's the truth, a sharp mind isn't magic, it's a habit. And in this video, I'll reveal the simple but powerful habits that can make your brain sharper, faster, and more focused. Whether you're a student, an employee, or just an ordinary person, these habits can completely transform your mind. First, let's understand one thing. The brain isn't a muscle, but it works just like one. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. If you stop using it, it gets weak and lazy. Inside your brain, there are about 86 billion neurons. Each one sends tiny electrical signals every second. When you learn something new, your brain creates new connections, just like adding new electric wires. That's the moment your brain starts becoming sharper. So remember, the first step to a powerful brain is to keep learning. It can be a new word, a new skill, or a new way of thinking. Research shows that people who spend just 30 minutes a day learning new things perform 40% better in memory and creativity than others. So what should you learn? Anything that challenges you. Because if it feels easy, your brain isn't growing. Learn a new word and use it throughout the day. Try learning a new language or skill. Read books that make you think. Your brain doesn't grow in comfort, it grows through challenge. Difficulty is the fire that forges intelligence. You've probably heard people say, work all night if you want to succeed. But science says the opposite. When you sacrifice sleep, your brain slows down. During sleep, your brain organizes the information you learned all day, it keeps what's important and deletes what's not. In one experiment, two groups studied the same material, one slept, the other didn't. The group that slept scored 60% higher the next day. So if you want a sharp mind, don't skip sleep. Sleep is not a waste of time, it's the time when your brain gets smarter. The biggest enemy of the modern brain is distraction. Social media, notifications, constant noise, they all divide your attention into pieces. Your brain can focus deeply on only one thing at a time. If you check your phone every 10 seconds, your brain will never reach deep focus mode. To fix this, give yourself at least 20 minutes of deep focus every day, no phone, no noise. Practice breathing, or listen to soft music while studying. Try the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes of rest. These small habits train your brain to stay sharp and alert for longer periods. Your brain doesn't just run on thoughts, it runs on nutrition. What you eat literally shapes your brain's performance. Eat walnuts and almonds rich in omega-3, fish, dark chocolate, fresh fruits, and vegetables, and drink plenty of water. Dehydration alone can slow your brain by 15%. Avoid sugar, junk food, and sodas. They give temporary energy but make your brain slower in the long run. Ask yourself, do you want a brain that's lightning fast, or one that feels stuck and lazy? Your brain doesn't just grow by learning, it grows by how you think. When you tell yourself, I can't do this, your brain stops trying. But when you say, I can learn this, your brain starts finding solutions. This is called a growth mindset, the belief that you can get smarter through effort. People who succeed in life don't avoid failure, they learn from it. They see challenges as opportunities to grow. So next time something feels hard, don't say, I can't do it. Say, this is a chance to make my mind stronger. Remember this, your brain is one of God's most powerful creations. It can imagine, create, and transform the world, but only if you use it. Starting today, never stop learning, never stop thinking, and never feed your brain with negativity or junk. When you give your mind the right focus, rest, and knowledge, it becomes unstoppable. Soon, you'll notice your thoughts becoming deeper, your memory sharper, and your life brighter than ever before.